This paper is mainly concerned with a comparative study on the deterioration of granite under microwave irradiation and resistance heating treatment. We aim at provide a better understanding of the different mechanisms between microwave irradiation and resistance heating treatment for granite. Therefore, the structural deterioration law of granite at high temperatures under the two conditions was studied. The detailed description of the granite from typhoon is given by optical polarizing microscopy. Specimens were heated to different temperatures up to 1,000 degrees centigrade in two different ways. DGDSC patterns obtained from granite are shown in Figure 4. Uniaxial compressive strength tests are performed on heated specimens. The XRD analysis is conducted to study the mineral phase variation after the two heating treatments. The conclusion of our study is, first, microwave irradiation is beneficial to ensure the stability of surrounding rocks by reducing the strengthening due to localized transition, plasticity, and further promotes the deterioration of rock structure in weakening stage. Besides, to meet the practical engineering, authors proposed to apply microwave to irradiate the vulnerable positions and capture the whole rock mass being heated to about 600 degrees centigrade.